Hello, CTC 101. Welcome to the fall term here at Post University. My name is Professor Kimberly Welk, and I am so excited that you have decided to join us. I know many of you are returning to college after being away for a while, and some are coming out of high school. Regardless of your decision to come back, this course is set up to help you prepare to be successful not only here in academia, but in your professional life. It will also help you in your personal relationships, I hope. Take a minute to review the course. Spend time navigating through Blackboard so that you have a better feel as to what assignments need done and where to locate them. As always, reach out if you're having trouble. There is Blackboard support through Post University if you need it. There is a Meet the Instructor page, which I strongly encourage you to look over to learn more about me. In your discussion board this week, I would love for you to share as much information about you, your family, your goals as you're willing. This is meant to simulate a classroom environment, and your peers will only appreciate and understand your thoughts the more that we get to know each other on a personal level. Feel free to share photos or anything else. I can't wait till this term starts. Every week will be similar. We will have information on the announcements, so you want to review that. And I will try to post tips that will make you successful, along with other questions in the discussion threads to help you think a little deeper. I am always available to reach out. I am here to help support you through this journey. Please feel free to text me or email me at any time, and I will walk you through everything that you're struggling with. So let's get this started, and I can't wait to hear your discussion boards.